In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer USDT from Solflare to Binance. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to grab the correct deposit address from Binance, choose the right network, and paste that address safely into your Solflare wallet. Start on your mobile device inside the Binance app. Make sure you're logged in and everything is up to date so the deposit page loads correctly. From the main screen, tap Deposit. This takes you to the funding area where Binance can generate the correct address for the asset you want to receive. Next, select USDT. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar and type USDT to avoid picking the wrong coin. Now the most important part, select the network. Because you're using Solflare, you'll typically be moving USDT on the Solana network. On Binance, that's usually labeled Solana or SOL, sometimes shown as USDT on Solana, SPL. The network you pick here must match the network your USDT is on in Solflare. If the networks don't match, your funds could be lost, so take a moment to confirm you see Solana selected before moving forward. Once the network is selected, Binance will display a deposit address for USDT on that network. Tap to copy it. If Binance ever shows a memo or tag on a particular network, note that too. For Solana USDT, you typically only need the address. Avoid typing the address by hand and never share it publicly. Now switch over to your Solflare wallet, head to your USDT token, and open the send screen. In the recipient or address field, paste the deposit address you copied from Binance. Double check that the pasted address matches exactly. A quick habit is to compare the first few and last few characters. Also confirm that the token you're sending is USDT and that it's on the Solana network in Solflare, matching what you chose on Binance. A couple of tips before you proceed with any transfer. Make sure you have a small amount of SOL in your Solflare wallet to cover network fees on Solana. Consider starting with a small test amount if you're moving a significant balance just to verify everything arrives as expected, and always keep the network selection consistent between wallets. That's it. Open Binance, choose USDT, pick the Solana network, copy the deposit address, and paste it into Solflare's recipient field. Follow these checks, and you'll move USDT with confidence and avoid common mistakes. Thanks for watching, and take your time to verify each detail for a smooth transfer.